What is your builder going to do to verify that your home is truly energy efficient? There are too many builders promising energy efficient homes today. Energy efficient in comparison to what? A home built 50 years ago? Maybe. So that's why we don't like to throw around the words green and energy efficient without being able to back ourselves up. The proof is in the pudding, and the pudding is an EnerGuide label. The EnerGuide label is the official mark of the Government of Canada's energy program. That's right, it's federally backed. If your builder doesn't provide you with an EnerGuide label, your builder is not providing you with proof of energy efficiency, and that is the bottom line. At Greener Homes, we use the Built Green certification, and this program is great because it's actually a 2-in-1. When we receive our Built Green Platinum certification, we also get an EnerGuide label with it. So that EnerGuide label provides a breakdown of where the home is using energy and how much. And it'll also give you a comparison to show you how much energy a home would be wasting, using, if it was only built to code. Before we build, we take the blueprints of the home and we run them through a digital program that's actually going to calculate how much energy the home is going to use and where. And what this does is actually predict what it's going to cost to operate the home once our clients move in. And of course, once the project is nearly complete, we conduct a real on-site test. So today is a big, exciting day for us energy nerds because today we are doing the door blower test for the Johanna. Now don't get us wrong, it's not that we're not confident in the performance of our homes. This test is about two things: verification and certification. We want to be able to prove to our clients that we're delivering them the home and the huge monthly savings that we promised them from the start. So this door blower test is a test of energy efficiency, air tightness, and comfort. And the reason we test for air tightness is because where your home leaks air is where your home will lose heat. In our part of the world, we're trying to keep our homes warm for 10 months of the year. Other problems that can result from air leakage are condensation and mold, which do not make for a healthy home at all. And when we spend as much time in our homes as we do, air quality should be a top priority for all builders. So let's transport to the Johanna and let's see what our energy advisors are up to.
I'm Ryan Levitt. I'm with Amerispec Home Inspection Services. We're here in New Dayton today doing a blower door test, which is all part of an energy assessment. The blower door test is going to measure exactly how airtight the house is, which in southern Alberta, that translates into dollar savings or dollars lost through air leaks and gaps in your house when the wind starts to blow or when the temperature differences are really increased from the outside. So that the blower door test is going to depressurize the house, put the house under negative pressure, which is going to induce all the drafts, all the leaks, all the holes in the house. And then we're going to be able to, the computer will be able to measure exactly how airtight the house is, and we'll record that and we'll give that to the homeowners so they know that. As well as at school, we're going to go around and pinpoint where all those leaks and holes are with a thermal imaging camera, which we can show you later. This blower door process is not required by all builders in Alberta as part of code. It is a possible measurement that builders can use if they want to go a performance path to measure their homes. So Greener Homes is one builder in town that does do these on every single house. So it's really an extra verification to ensure that their insulators and their vapor barrier guys and their window installers and really all trades along the path are ensuring that the house stays airtight, which translates to energy efficiency. Yeah, in a blower door test is something that you can request from your builder or you can request as a homeowner during the build process, or say you live in a house that's 10 years old and you want to know how airtight the house is. The blower door test can always be done. Amerispec can always be hired to kind of come in and help your builder ensure that you're building an airtight home. Thermal imaging is basically a second set of eyes. It's going to help us see radiant energy leaving the house. It can be through air leaks in the walls, are around windows and doors, or it could be through missing insulation that may have been missed in walls. So thermal imaging is going to kind of give us that X-ray vision to walls to help us see where that's leaking or heat is escaping.
So now hopefully you know how important it is to have an airtight home and how important it is to have an EnerGuide label. When we were doing our test on site, we actually did find a window that was leaking air. So using the thermal imaging gun, we were able to find a draft coming out of the corner of a window in the master bedroom of all places. So we're actually expecting our clients to spend quite a bit of time in this room, maybe 8 hours a night. So we don't want them to have a drafty, uncomfortable room. And of course, now that we found that leak, we had our window suppliers on site that day to make the adjustments to make sure they were absolutely sealed off. An energy efficient home is a high performance home, and a high performance home is a comfortable home. So if any of our clients ever have to worry about sitting or being near a window during cold or windy days, then we've failed to deliver them a good home. Now it will be about 3 or 4 days until our energy advisors come up with our EnerGuide rating and our EnerGuide label for the Johanna. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you an EnerGuide label from a previous build of ours just so you get the idea. Here it is. Now it might be hard for you to see, but you can Google EnerGuide label and it will pop up. At the top here, this shows you how much energy that home is going to use on an annual basis, 0 being the best. Now obviously our homes do use energy, but that 0 EnerGuide rating is calculated by adding the renewable energy produced on site. That's going to offset how much energy the home actually uses. So that's when you net 0. And we are expecting the Johanna to have that EnerGuide rating of 0, as it will be a net 0 home. Down here, this little pie graph, that's the breakdown of where the home will be using energy. So that's what energy advisors and that's what an EnerGuide label can do for you. So make sure you ask your builder for one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and share it. If you have any questions for us, feel free to contact us. The link is in the description. And if you'd like to see more content like this or want more information about important building topics you need to be asking your builder about, then hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time on Ask Your Builder.